Hi, my name's Danielle Collins and I'm the world leading face yoga expert, and I'm going to show you some of my key face yoga techniques for helping to reduce smoker's lines. So these are the little lines that we can often get around the mouth area. You may get them as a result of smoking, but even if you've never smoked, you may find that you still suffer from them, or you just want to do something which is going to help to prevent those lines forming. So it's best to apply a little bit of oil or lip balm to your lips first, and then for our first technique, just place a finger just here at the edge of the mouth. Use the other index finger, and we're just going to do little brush strokes all the way up. So you want to do about 3 or 4. You almost want to think about your lips in 4 quarters, and we're working on one of the quarters at the moment. So this is really going to help to boost the circulation, boost the blood flow to the top layer of skin right up to the lips. And as we boost that blood flow, we're also bringing lots of fresh nutrients and oxygen all the way to the surface as well. So let's move across here, and we're just going to do exactly the same thing on the other side now. So we want to use quite firm pressure, but as with all of face yoga, you must work to your own level with everything. Now this is good for preventing lines, but also if you already have lines there, this is really going to help with that blood flow. It's also going to help with that toxin removal as well. And you may find through this massage, it helps to boost the collagen and the elastin in the area, in the lips and around the lips too. So let's just do underneath the lips. So we're working on the 3rd quarter now. Now whilst you do this, try and relax the rest of your face and try and breathe deeply in and out through the nose. Let's just do the other side now. Okay, so now we've done that massage, we're going to do a wonderful technique which combines a massage and an exercise. So the exercise is going to work with strengthening and toning the muscles underneath the skin. And as you strengthen and tone the muscles under the skin attached to it is then tautened and tightened and firmed. So same applies to the body. For example, when you strengthen and tone a muscle in the arm, as you do that, the skin attached to it is tightened and firm. And the same principle applies to the face. So we're going to be doing that, and we're going to combine it with a massage. So again, helping with that circulation and blood flow. So make an O shape with the mouth and just slightly wrap your lips around your teeth. So we're going, and then we're going to use 2 fingers whilst you hold that O shape. So join in with me now with this massage. So we're pressing down into the skin. So keep doing that O shape and keep wrapping the lips around the teeth. And then just take your index finger and just do some little flicks downwards on the bottom lip and then upwards. And then the other way around, flicking up and then down. And let's go across again and just moving up. So they are 3 of the key techniques you can use. Now remember, as with all of face yoga, you need to keep these techniques up regularly to see good results. So I would recommend doing those techniques every single day. And if you can get into the habit of doing a daily structured face yoga program, so for example, you can use one of my face yoga apps, just search Danielle Collins on your app store, and you can download the whole app, and once you've downloaded it, it's $9.99 for all of it. You can use all of those videos for a structured daily program, because it's important, even if you are working just with this muscle around the mouth, that you actually strengthen, tone the supporting muscles. So for example, if you strengthen the muscles in the cheeks or the muscles in the jaw area, this is going to provide support and lift for this area around the mouth. So yes, isolated techniques are great, but it's a full face program how you're going to see the best results. And if you'd like more information on face yoga, you can go to faceyogaexpert.com. Take care. Bye bye.